That I hear come up a lot is people get pulled over and they've got a failure to appear. And then it just kind of snowballs.
Snowballs.
We got just a few seconds. Will you tell
Sure.
our viewers about making sure you go to court?
Please go to court. It'll be much easier. None of us want to. It's just like a bill collector coming after you. You try to avoid it. In this case, the bill collector is the judge, and they're going to issue a writ of arrest, and you will wind up arrested. I tell my people all the time, you can show up and I can argue, I had 25 cents in my pocket. I gave my probation officer 12.5 cents. I can't argue I didn't bother showing up and letting him know. That will guarantee a stay in the jail for at least a while. A lot of times failures to appear get no bond, and they don't have to. And they can wind up sitting in jail for upwards of a month just because you did not show up when you were supposed to.
And it just snowballs. The cost snowballs. If you go, you can handle it as a lawyer, and that's what I always try to tell people.
Right.
If I know what the issue is, I can help you. But if you don't tell me what the issue is, or you don't show up to court, you're not helping me help you.
Telling you what the issue is, any judge that I've been in front of knows that I have bunches of stories. I talk to my clients, and I'm one of those people who ask what's going on, and then I'll ask them if they have anything else to tell me. The answer is always no. And then I will point to a book that I have in my possession called The Last Testament of Lucky Luciano. And I'll explain to them that Lucky Luciano set up the mafia, and he said, lie to whoever you want. Lie to yourself, lie to your wife, lie to your doctor. He said, but never ever lie to your lawyer, because he doesn't care and he has to know, so he's not blindsided when he walks in. So if the head of the mafia is going to say that, then I'm going to ask you one more time. Do you have anything else to tell me? You'd be surprised how many times the answer is, well, I did want to mention this.
There's one more little caveat to the story, right, that I might want to include there.
Always, always. So yes, your lawyer is there to protect you, but he cannot be blindsided when he walks into court. He cannot get a call from you in the morning and say, oh, by the way, I decided I was going to go talk to the investigators today, without telling you first. Those things happen all the time. Please don't do that. It'll make your defense so much harder.
Okay, all right. Well, we appreciate